Okay, welcome to the network. I know it's not much to look at. It's a room in my apartment. This is pretty much it. This is the meat and potatoes of it. I am the only person who does all of the organizing, running, decision making as far as the network in total is concerned. Today, I'm Harry. Today I'm going to show you how we do cross-posting here on Facebook. This is to help my business participants in the network post into the network as well as their own pages as a live video. I'm encouraging anyone who has content creation, production, entertainment, because we now have an entertainer attached to the network as well, to make a video, be personal in your video. Let the people who are going to be patronizing your business who they're dealing with. None of us are major multi-million-dollar corporations. None of us are shareholder businesses. None of us are extremely politically connected or coming from multi-million-dollar bank accounts. We are literally the bulk of the American population, or the world population as it is. If someone from outside the United States starts a business and decides to be a part of the network. But in order to do that, first you need some sort of desktop interface for Facebook. I cannot get it to work on my phone, and a lot of the features that appear on the desktop don't appear on the phone for page management. So you are going to have to use either a laptop, desktop. I don't know as far as tablet is concerned. That is a question I can't answer myself because I don't own one. So we're going to come over here and we're going to go into the live interface. I'm not going to go live. I'm just going to show you what the live interface looks like. So Donna's going to be all up over my shoulder. As you can see, we're on the page. If you take a look, you can scroll down to where it says create post. Now this is the back end page, so this is not like the page you see as a viewer. This is a page you see as an admin. So you will not be seeing all the bells and whistles and stuff like that on the network unless you are an admin or you are me. And that's that. You're going to look for this button here. It's the live button. It's under create there, and you're going to click on it. It's going to change your screen, and it takes a minute. And there we are. Now you go over here, you can go live, you can schedule it, meaning that you can store the live video and then it will post it whenever you want. So if you want to do like weekly content and you have some extra time and you want to stack up your weekly content, you can do that there. This is a calendar of your upcoming videos. So if you've done this, they'll be there. If you have events coming up, they'll be there. Now, down here, we have shown to a page you manage. Now, I have multiple pages that I manage, but you can also share to your timeline as an individual person or in a group. But we want to do a page we manage. Now, you see I have multiple pages that I manage because I'm an admin on High HD, because that's mine and Donna's project. This is an old project of mine that I'm going to refurbish into music education. This is my writing project page, and this is the network. Now we're going to go and we're going to share on the network. Now this is where you would put a title. This is where you put something about the video. So my suggestion would be a title being the name of your business, something about the video, just an explanation of like, just be like, this is where we're coming from. This is who we are. Now, this is the part that you need to understand, and I had to learn this the hard way. I had to figure it out myself. when you click on that, this screen comes up. Now everyone that's allowed cross-posting will show up here, every page. You can select all, and you can select individual ones, and I did this for a video. It showed up on La Melancholique and on the network at the same time. If your name isn't on this list and I sent you a cross-posting link, that means that you didn't actually do the thing. And well, that's, you know, you guys gotta get on that if you guys want to cross-post onto my page. I am not going to be using the network to spam everyone else's page. This is one of the things that I promise, and the things that I promise about the network. I'm not profiting off of the network, and I am not going to use the network to get into your page and to spam onto your page from my pages. It's not going to happen. I'm allowing you guys to post here. It's not reflexive. If I'm going to be posting anywhere other than on the network as a live video, but I want to do a simultask post, I will probably be doing it from one of my other pages and sharing it to the network, not the other way around, because my business is not necessarily something that you need on your page. So we're going to close that up, and we're going to shoot on over down here, share to pages and groups. There's groups. You can have groups attached to your page. I have High HD attached to the network, and what that means is that you can share direct to the group. It won't be a live video, but it will be a when it's finished, it will auto share over to there if I click the little box, obviously. And then there's audience settings, and that's, you know, you can make it public, you can censor by age, sorry, you can allow it in certain locations only, you can restrict it from certain locations only, and, you know, obviously save. Anything else? If you are doing gaming, you can stream gameplay from multiple streams and cameras. They want you to tag the game as well, and publish as a test broadcast. This will only show up on your page. If you highlight this, you can't cross-post it, period. But there's that. If you have a streaming service that you're using other than a web camera, you can enter your stream link there, and that will work. You can parent code on Facebook as well, or you can just use regular good old camera, which you can see down here in the bottom corner, the side of my head. Alright, you can, in your settings, you can set up the streaming. If the stream stops, the video stops. If you can embed the live video other places. You can unpublish after the video ends, meaning it being a live event that no one can see ever again after the fact. And that might be good for some content creators. Viewing, you can allow viewers to rewind or not and keep them in the moment, so to speak. And you can turn on auto-generated captions, which will closed caption your video, I believe. And commenting, there's all sorts of commenting options. None of this clicked. Your comments are going to have a delay, so if you have a delay put on your comments, there may be further delay than, because from what I understand, it's like a minute delay. You can also just censor who's able to and who's not able to leave comments and what have you. You know, camera, you can start screen share, which I believe allows you to multicast off of multiple cameras, which is something that maybe we'll try to do at some point in time. Mic, of course, you need to have all those things on board. And then, you know, when you go up here, you see that, you know, there's the whole video thing there. So there's that. Hope this was helpful to anybody. We're at about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna cut the video here. So thank you and goodbye.